Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Das Academy of Science. In this video, we will do some problems related to heat and latent heat by using time temperature graph. Before going to do problems, first let us calculate the values related to time temperature graph. Assume that initially ice is at minus 10 degrees Celsius. If it is continuously heated, it melts at 0 degrees Celsius and converted into water. If we continuously heated, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius and converted into steam. Let us take the mass of ice is 1 gram. Also, we know the following values. Specific heat of ice, S ice equal to 0.5 calories per gram degree Celsius. Specific heat of water, S water equal to 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Latent heat of fusion of ice, LF equal to 80 calories per gram. Latent heat of vaporization of water, LV equal to 540 calories per gram. Two things we have to remember before calculating observed heat. First one is, when state of matter is constant and there is rise in temperature, we use formula for observed heat is Q equal to ms delta T, where m is mass of the substance, S is specific heat of the substance, and delta T is change in temperature. Second one is, when temperature is constant and state of matter is changing, we use formula for observed heat is Q equal to ml, where m is mass of the substance and L is latent heat. Now let us calculate. Mass of the ice is 1 gram. Specific heat of ice is 0.5 calories per gram degree Celsius. Specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius. Latent heat of fusion of ice is 80 calories per gram. And latent heat of vaporization of water is 540 calories per gram. By using all these values, we have to calculate. First, observe between A and B. Here, there is change in temperature from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius, and there is no change in state of the matter. So, how much heat energy is required to convert 1 gram of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius to ice at 0 degrees Celsius? For calculating this amount of heat energy, we use the formula Q is equal to ms delta T. By substituting the values m, S ice and delta T, we get 1 into 0.5 into 10. By calculating, we get 5 calories. So, amount of heat energy required to convert 1 gram of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius to ice at 0 degrees Celsius is 5 calories. Similarly, if you observe between B and C, ice is melting into water. Here, there is no change in temperature, just 0 degrees Celsius is there. But there is change in state of the matter from solid state to liquid state. So that here we use formula Q is equal to ml to find how much heat energy is required to convert 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius. So by substituting m and LF values here, we get 1 into 80, that is 80 calories. So the amount of heat energy required to convert 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius is 80 calories. And observe now between C and D. Here there is difference, that is there is some change in temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, but there is no change in state of the matter, only liquid state is there, that is water. So here we use the formula Q is equal to ms delta T only to find how much heat energy is required to convert 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius to 1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius. By substituting m, s water and delta T values in the formula, we get 1 into 1 into 100, that is 100 calories. That is, the amount of heat energy is required to convert 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius to 1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius is 100 calories. Similarly, finally, observe between D and E. Here, there is no change in temperature, but there is change in the state of the matter. So water is converting into gaseous state, that is vapor. So here we use the formula Q is equal to ml to find how much heat energy is required to convert water at 100 degrees Celsius to water at that is steam at 100 degrees Celsius. So by substituting m and lv values here, we get 1 into 540, that is 540 calories. That is, the heat energy required to convert 1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius to 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius is 540 calories. So let us summarize the following. If the mass of the substance is 1 gram, then how much heat energy required to change 1 gram of ice at minus 10 degrees Celsius to 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius is 5 calories. That is between A and B. Similarly, between B and C, how much heat energy is required to convert ice at 0 degrees Celsius, 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius to water at 0 degrees Celsius, that is 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius, means 80 calories. This is nothing but equal to latent heat of fusion. So between B and C, for 1 gram 80 calories of heat energy is required. Similarly, between C and D, to convert water at 0 degrees Celsius to water at 100 degrees Celsius, for 1 gram required heat energy is 100 calories. So between C and D, required heat energy is 100 calories. And between D and E, heat energy required to convert water at 100 degrees Celsius to steam at 100 degrees Celsius is 540 calories. So this is nothing but latent heat of vaporization. So here 5 calories and 80 calories, 100 calories, 540 calories. You have to remember all these values.
One more thing we have to remember here. When we move from A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to E, then heat is absorbed. Why? Because solid state is converting into liquid state and liquid state is converting to gaseous state. So we have to heat here so that heat is absorbed by the matter. But when we come from E to D, D to C, and C to B, and finally B to A, then heat is released. Why? Because gaseous state is converting into liquid state and liquid state is converting into solid state. Okay, so in this process, heat is released. So whenever there is melting and boiling is occur, heat is absorbed by the matter, and whenever condensation and freezing is occurred, heat energy is released.
Now let us do the problem. Answer these. How much energy is transferred when 1 gram of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius condenses to water at 100 degrees Celsius? Second one. How much energy is transferred when 1 gram of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius cools to water at 0 degrees Celsius? Third one. How much energy is released or absorbed when 1 gram of water at 0 degrees Celsius freezes to ice at 0 degrees Celsius? Fourth one. How much energy is released or absorbed when 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius turns to ice at 0 degrees Celsius? Let us do first problem. How much heat energy is transferred when 1 gram of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius condenses to water at 100 degrees Celsius? Here, mass of the substance is m equal to 1 gram. And conversion is boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius to water at 100 degrees Celsius. From time temperature graph, this conversion is from E to D. By previous discussion, we know that if the conversion is from D to E, heat is absorbed, but the conversion is from E to D, heat is released. And how much heat is released is 540 calories for 1 gram of water. So, here the answer is heat energy released Q equal to 540 calories. We can do this by calculation also by using the formula Q equal to mLV, where m is mass of the substance and LV is latent heat of vaporization. Here m is 1 gram and latent heat of evaporation of water is 540 calories per gram. So 1 into 540, that is 540 calories. This is the required heat to convert 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius to 1 gram of water at 100 degrees Celsius. Now second problem. How much energy is transferred when 1 gram of boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius cools to water at 0 degrees Celsius? Here mass of the water is 1 gram, that is m is 1 gram, and conversion is from boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, means steam at 100 degrees Celsius, to water at 0 degrees Celsius. If we observe in time temperature graph, this conversion is from E to C. E to C means it has to come from E to D, that is water at 100 degrees Celsius, and D to C. So conversion is from boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius to water at 100 degrees Celsius to water at 0 degrees Celsius. If we observe in time temperature graph, by previous discussion we know the values between E to D, heat energy released is 540 calories, and between D to C, heat energy released is 100 calories. Hence, total heat energy released Q is 540 calories plus 100 calories, that is equal to 640 calories. By calculation also we can do this by using the formulas Q equal to mLV plus ms delta T. Here m is 1 gram and latent heat of vaporization LV is 540 calories per gram. Yes, specific heat of water is 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius, and change in temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So 1 into 540, that is 540, plus 1 into 1 into 100, that is 100. So 540 plus 100 is 640 calories. That means the heat energy released when 1 gram of steam, that is boiling water at 100 degrees Celsius, cools to water at 0 degrees Celsius. is 640 calories. Now let us do third problem. How much energy is released or absorbed when 1 gram of water at 0 degree Celsius freezes to ice at 0 degree Celsius? Here, mass of the substance, that is mass of the water, is 1 gram. Conversion is from water at 0 degree Celsius to ice at 0 degree Celsius. So, from time temperature graph, this conversion is from C to B. By previous discussions, we know very well the heat released is 80 calories. If it is B to C, heat is absorbed, but it is C to B, so that heat is released of 80 calories. So, heat energy released Q is 80 calories is the answer for this question. By calculation also we can do by using the formula Q equal to MLF. Here M is mass of the substance 1 gram and LF is latent heat of fusion of ice is 80 calories per gram. So 1 into 80, that is 80 calories. Now finally fourth question. How much energy is released or absorbed when 1 gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius turns to ice at 0 degrees Celsius? Here, mass of the substance, that is steam, mass of the steam is 1 gram. Conversion is steam at 100 degrees Celsius to ice at 0 degrees Celsius. When we observe this conversion in time temperature graph, this is from E to B. E to B means conversion should be from E to D, that is water at 100 degrees Celsius, and D to C, that is water at 0 degrees Celsius, and C to B, that is ice at 0 degrees Celsius. So by all these conversions already we discussed in previous slide, that is between E and D heat energy released is 540 calories, and between D and C heat energy released is 100 calories, and between C to B heat energy released is 80 calories. So total heat energy released is 540 calories plus 100 calories plus 80 calories, that is 720 calories. By calculation also we can do by using suitable formulas. Between E and D we use Q equal to MLV. Between D and C we use Q equal to MS delta T formula, and between C to B we use the formula Q equal to ML. So by substituting suitable values, M is 1 gram, LV, that is latent heat of vaporization, is 540 calories per gram, S of water, that is specific heat of water, 1 calorie per gram degree Celsius, and delta T, that is change in temperature, that is 100 degrees Celsius, and LF, latent heat of fusion, that is 80 calories per gram. So all these values if we substitute in this formula, we get 1 into 540, that is 540, plus 1 into 100, that is 100, plus 1 into 80, that is 80. In total 540 plus 100 plus 80, that is 720 calories. Thank you. If you like this video, please share and subscribe my channel, Das Academy of Science.